Hey, this is Derek with Automatic Door and Hardware. If you're interested in learning about commercial doors, automatic doors, and the parts and hardware that go with them, you're in the right place. At Automatic Door and Hardware, we design and manufacture complete automatic door systems, and we regularly share professional installation and technical videos like this. In this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to install our Maverick automatic sliding door package. This system is engineered to be one of the easiest automatic sliding doors to install on the market today. The Maverick system is designed with pre-engineered, field-assembled components that streamline the installation process compared to many conventional automatic sliding doors. The header, jamb tubes, door panels, and hardware are all designed to work together, helping reduce installation time while maintaining professional performance. To get started, open your packages and set aside the jamb tubes and the automatic door header. The jamb tubes attach directly to the header using 4 screws on each side. This is a simple and straightforward operation. Once both jamb tubes are securely attached to the header, the assembly is ready to be lifted into place. Because the header carries most of the weight, the unit will be top-heavy. For that reason, this step should be done with 2 people, 1 person on each jamb tube, carefully walking the assembly upright and positioning it into the rough opening. Once the door assembly is placed into the rough opening, the next and most critical step is leveling the header. Proper installation is essential for automatic sliding doors, and many performance issues are caused simply by frames that are not installed plumb and level. Start by placing a level across the top of the header. Shim underneath the left or right jamb tube as needed until the header is completely level. Take your time here. Accuracy at this stage prevents issues later. Because the rough opening is typically a 1/4 inch wider, you'll want to use 1/4 inch shims along the jamb tube. Plan for at least 3 anchor points per jamb tube. The mounting surface determines the fastening method. For wood framing, standard fasteners may be used. For storefront aluminum framing, self-tapping screws are recommended. For masonry or concrete openings, drill with a rotary hammer and install plastic anchors with screws. After installing the anchors, check that the jamb tube is plumb and level on both the exterior face and the opening face the side people will walk through. Tighten the fasteners only until slight distortion is visible in the aluminum. Do not over-tighten. Sealant and caulking will ultimately secure the system in place, and over-tightening can cause alignment problems. With the frame anchored, the next step is installing the bottom guide tracks. Snap a chalk line from one jamb tube to the other to establish a straight reference line across the opening. Position the bottom guide tracks along this line and fasten them to the concrete using plastic anchors and screws. These guides keep the door panels aligned during operation, so accuracy here is important. Once the bottom guides are installed, you can hang the door panels. The Maverick system includes stationary panels that snap into place, along with sliding door panels that ride within the guides. After the door panels are hung, the glass can be installed according to the glazing specifications provided with the system. Installing the panels first and glazing afterward allows for safer handling and easier alignment during installation. Once glazed, confirm that the sliding panels move freely and smoothly within the guides before proceeding. After the door panels and glazing are complete, the remaining steps involve power and sensors. A licensed electrician should connect the 110-volt power supply to the automatic door operator. Next, install the activation and presence sensors included with the system. These sensors are designed to plug directly into the operator and mount using the supplied hardware. Adjust the activation sensors according to ANSI standards so the door activates at approximately 5 feet from the opening. Presence sensors should be adjusted to maintain safe operation while someone is in the doorway. Once power is connected and sensors are properly adjusted, cycle the door several times to confirm smooth operation and correct alignment. That completes the installation overview for the Maverick automatic sliding door system. With its pre-engineered components and installer-friendly design, this system is built to reduce installation time while delivering reliable performance. This is Derek with Automatic Door and Hardware. Thanks for watching.